After dropping teasers last week, Realme today confirmed the launch date of its upcoming Narzo 70 Turbo smartphone in India. The device will be unveiled on September 9th. The Narzo 70 Turbo will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy 5G chipset. The company claims this chipset is the fastest in its segment with an Antutu score of 750,000. It will be available up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The device has a motorsport-inspired look on the back with a prominent yellow vertical stripe running down the center of the rear panel. Narzo 70 Turbo equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel front camera. The phones feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate. The phone appears to have a flat display with minimal bezels, except for a slightly thicker chin, and centered punch hole cutout at the top. The smartphone's power by 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The handset will measure 7.6 mm in thickness and weigh 185 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.